So students, our next topic is linking to external data. To link a spreadsheet with the external file, web page, document or email address. Suppose you want to link a you want to link your spreadsheet with what? With any external file or to a web page, document or email address. What you have to do? Choose the following options. Insert hyperlink dialog box. Existing file or web page. It enables you to create a hyperlink to access a web address normally starting with HTTP. So a web address normally starts with HTTP. Enter the required web address means the URL in the address section to the link as shown in the figure 7.14. Just look at the figure. Then you have to click on the OK button to insert the link. To create a new document, it creates a hyperlink to create a new document. Inserting hyperlink to create a new document. Just see in the figure 7.15. Specify the name of the new workbook in the name of new document section. You can also choose whether the document is to be edited now or later by choosing the respective radio buttons. Click on OK to insert the link. Now email address. How to link to an email address. It creates a link to send an email message. Specify the following in the dialog box as shown in the figure. In the text to display section, specify the text to be displayed as the link. By default, it takes the entered email address. By default, what it is going to do? It is going to take the entered email address. In the email address section, enter the email address of the recipient. This is also important. Enter the subject of the mail in the subject text box. Click on OK to insert the email link. Importing data from external data sources. In Excel, you can insert a data in a spreadsheet from different external sources such as from MS Access, web text and other sources, SQL Server and XML data. When you import data, you make a permanent connection that can be refreshed whenever required. Unlike LibreOffice, there is no need to register the data. Let us import the data from Access to the Excel worksheet. To do so, you have to follow the given steps. Open the Excel workbook in which the data is to be inserted from an external source. Open the Data tab and choose the From Access option from the Get External Data group. The Select Data Source dialog box opens as shown in the figure 7.17. The Select Table dialog box opens. Then the Import Data dialog box opens as shown in the figure 7.19. Then choose the table option to review the data in a tabular format. Also choose whether you want to put the data in the existing worksheet or in the new worksheet. The access table is displayed in the worksheet as shown in the figure 7.20. Just see, it will be displayed in this way. The data can be searched and sorted during using the filters displayed along with the fields. The data can be formatted using the various options available in the Design tab. You can easily refresh the data in Excel if you have made changes in the connected data source. So this was all about this chapter, linking the data and spreadsheets.